In the quiet mornings of Grace Forest Farm, before the world becomes busy, nature begins speaking first. The sound of birds echoing through the trees, the cool breeze moving across the hills, the soft light of sunrise touching the fields. And here, growing silently beneath the morning light, are our pineapples. One of the newest additions to our farm, and one of the clearest reflections of what Grace Forest Farm truly stands for: sustainability, patience, and working together with nature, not against it. At Grace Forest Farm, we do not believe farming should destroy the environment in order to produce food. We believe the land must continue living, breathing, and regenerating long after every harvest. That is why everything here is connected. The animals, the trees, the soil, the flowing water, the vegetables, and now our pineapples. Every part of the farm contributes to a larger ecosystem designed to become more natural, more balanced, and more sustainable over time. Nothing is wasted. Nature itself becomes part of the farming process. Our pineapples are grown slowly, surrounded by forest air and open space. No massive industrial environment, no overcrowding, no shortcuts. Just sunlight, rain, healthy soil, and time. And maybe that is the secret, because the best thing in life are rarely rushed. Every pineapple growing here carries the story of resilience. Grace Forest Farm itself was built through years of rebuilding, adapting, and learning from both victories and hardships. We survived typhoons that damaged our greenhouses and facilities. We faced difficult seasons that forced us to change direction. And though every challenges, the farm continued to evolve. That is the beauty of nature. After every storm, growth begins again. Today, these pineapples stand quietly across the farm as symbols of that journey. Strong, simple, natural. A reminder that good things take time. Many people only see the final fruit, but behind every pineapple is patience, months of care, protection from extreme weather, monitoring the soil, watching over the plants day after day. Farming teaches humility. You cannot command nature. You learn to respect it. And when you finally harvest something healthy and beautiful, there's a different kind of fulfillment. Not just profit, but purpose. Here at Grace Forest Farm, we continue moving toward a complete farm ecosystem. An environment where food is grown responsibly, where animals are raised properly, where waste is minimized, and where future generations can still experience real farming connected to nature. We hope the video gives you a moment of peace, a small reminder that sometimes the quietest things in life are those meaningful.